Hi family, in today's video I'll be showing you how to use tomato juice for hair growth and scalp treatment. So if you're experiencing dry scalp, itchy scalp, breakages and dandruff, this video will help you. Keep watching so you don't miss any parts. So tomato is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E, as well as antioxidants that help keep the scalp clean and healthy. Because of its slightly acidic nature, it helps to balance the pH level of the scalp. Tomatoes also contain lycopene, a very strong antioxidant that helps protect hair follicles from damage. The next ingredient is honey. Honey has a natural antibacterial property which helps keep the scalp clean. The next ingredient is olive oil. Olive oil is rich in fatty acids and antioxidants, making it one of the best oils the hair shaft can easily absorb. Now let's apply it on our hair. Make sure your hair is in section. This is going to save you a whole lot of time. As you can see, I'm still trying to bat my own here in this video. This took a lot of time, so make sure your hair is in section while applying this, okay? It's going to save you time. Apply it directly on your scalp using your fingers. Massage it gently from the roots to the tip of your hair. Embrace this journey. Love if you're into natural hair, Love the process, love your hair, appreciate your hair, be patient with your hair. Don't be in competition with anyone. You are not in competition with anybody. It's your hair, it's your journey. You choose this, okay? No one forced you. Like I said before, make sure your hair is in section. This is going to make the job very easy, okay? Yeah, you're going to save a lot of time when your hair is in section. And please always do a batch test before applying this on your hair, especially if you have a sensitive scalp. Apply it generously on your hair and massage your scalp gently. This will reduce dandruff and scalp buildup. It will also help to improve hair strength and excessive shedding. Now, go in with your hands to massage it gently. This is going to help to activate blood circulation. After you are done applying, cover your hair with a shower cap and leave it for 1 hour. After an hour, go ahead to wash it off and apply your leave-in conditioner. I do this once in 2 weeks because I have other hair treatments I use for my natural hair. If you found this video helpful, please smash the like button, give me a like, and also share this video with someone who needs it. And do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more natural hair tips and DIYs. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!